Hundreds of people have flocked to Wasaga Beach this weekend, gathering in large groups for the H2Oi rally.
The crowd took over Mosley Street as a parade of vehicles filled the air with burning rubber.
And police have been trying to keep a lid on the party, but as CTV's Roger Klein reports, that has been a challenge.
Warnings from local and provincial health officials over the last week. Another car rally has popped up north of the city. Many of the people who turned up to the illegal event were clearly not following physical or social distancing rules or wearing masks.
OK, carré, on décolle.
La police, c'est des moins de 10, c'est des ouvriers, des charognards.
Les signares qui traînent tard le soir.
On va le faire un Vigneault, t'as parlé.
Il a failli se faire frapper 12 fois avec.